In this video, I want to quickly show you how you can buy stuff on Temu. Now this will work from the website as well as from the app. And what you want to do is you want to just head over to any you can go to the homepage or best-selling items or whichever one. And then you just want to find what you like. So in my case, let's say you want to buy this one. You want to click on it and then you want to go to the product page. From in here, you can select color, quantity, add to cart, and this will put it in your cart. Then after that, what you want to do is you can either go and check your cart or you can go to the checkout page. Now, if you click on checkout, it's going to bring you to the information page where you're going to put in your credit card, you're going to put in your address and all that stuff, all the shipping stuff. And after that, the item will be bought. Now, it's actually a pretty simple website to use. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.